Come on, show that.
Why are you crying?
Because I don't have enough milk.
Look at that.
She's
Oh,
so
we're so
hungry.
mad. Dad, we're so mad.
She's so hungry. She gets so bad.
No more. Oh.
I searched for this. Yeah, it's organic.
Oh,
But it's still formula. It's still formula, and I really didn't want to give her formula. But I just don't have it. It will come, but for now, I have to feed my child. And if the formula is the only way that my child can eat, then I have to feed my child the formula.
Okay. What time is it? It's 3:12 in the morning. Oh, you'll get so tired. Come on, come on.
Imagine the milk came on the 5th day. Imagine if I didn't give her formula, she'd be hungry for 5 days. Can I do that to her? But I want to just have more milk.
You have the chin of your mother.
Yeah, that's
Mm, perfectly the same. Oh, yes, even your lips.
Everything.
Everything.
Baby.
Oh, kinilig yung bata, oh. Kinilig, oh. Pinakita pa lalo yung mukha niya, oh. Sabi niya, even my cheeks, my nose. Sabi niya, oh, ano pa, Isabella? Ano ba ang pareho kayo ni mama mo?
Everything. And just double bone. Like mom. Like mom.
Yes, the balbon, ma'am. Nakakita mo, yes.
Yeah, I like mom. Okay, hold on. You're good. You're in a good position. It's good.